In this video, we're going to look at how to add a background image or color to a specific page. To be able to have a different background on a specific page in JupyterX, you'll first need to install and activate Advanced Custom Fields Pro plugin, which is bundled with JupyterX. To do that, click on JupyterX, then inside the control panel, you'll see it right here. This enables the Post Options section to appear on the page backend. So let's go to a page. From the WordPress Left dashboard menu, go to Pages and open the page you want to add a different background to. In the Post Options section, click on Main. Then in the Styles section, you can choose a background image or a background color for your page and set all of the properties. Once you have the page the way you want it, just click on Publish to make the changes live. Now this page will have a different background than the other pages on your website. Thanks for watching. Cheers.